Most contractors post content that looks good but doesn't actually bring in clients. And here's the kicker. It's not because your business is boring. It's not because you can't have great content. It's because you're doing it all yourself and it's flying by the seat of your pants. So in this video, I'll show you why DIY content isn't going to work, and how it's not going to scale, and how a virtual assistant can change the game for you. And I'm going to include 3 shifts to turn posts into pipeline. Number 1, before and after pictures. Yes, they are important. You need to do those. Show the difference between what you had on the project and where you went with that project. But clients want a story with that. They don't simply want just these before and after pictures. Think about realtors. They're notorious for just posting a new open house. That's all they do, open house, open house, open house. And that's great. They've got a lot of open houses that they're going to. Maybe it shows a little bit of proof that they do help people out, but it's boring. Nobody wants to see that. There's no personality behind just having an open house as a realtor. And so same thing for you as a remodeler. You only having before and after pictures is not good enough. You have to have a story behind that, and a virtual assistant can really help you be able to create that story through the video content that you create, through the pictures. They can manipulate the pictures and make it into this beautiful story of how you went from this crazy, ugly bathroom and then turned it into nothing. You gutted everything, and then all of a sudden this is immaculate bathroom afterwards. Rather than just that simple before and after, here we are with the standard bathroom, here we are with a nice tiled bathroom. A virtual assistant can really help shape that story for you. The second thing is consistency. On social media, consistency is king. And you as a busy remodeler, you don't have time to take the pictures on site, take the videos on site, think of new ideas, all while actually doing the business, because you're not in the business of social media, although it seems that way, and it really is that way in business, that you have to be ever present on social media. So a virtual assistant can take all those pictures, those videos, even give you the ideas of what you need to take so you can create better, more consistent, standardized content for every single project that you do. And they'll take all that and schedule out posts. They'll create the post for you. They'll be able to build up your brand voice and the professional side of what you want your business to look like on social media, because that is the business card in 2025 and going into 2026. And the third shift is that you need to stop working in social media and start working on social media. And what I mean by that is that you kind of give the guidance, help with the strategy and ideas of where you want to go with social media. As you're seeing more leads coming in, you can give more of that direction. Hey, I was noticing that these pieces of content seem to be doing better. I like doing this type of stuff. Clients are coming to us about these things. And as you're helping work on it, more of that high level view, like the chief marketing officer rather than the marketing manager, you're going to be able to help that virtual assistant with the strategy there. And again, the virtual assistant can do the heavy lifting here. They can be the one to do the video edits. They can be the one to create the captions, to schedule that content for you. And what I found in my own personal case is, as I've had a virtual assistant take over social media management for me, it's allowed me to think more strategically about where we want to go with the content, who we're speaking to, and just be able to come on and record even this piece of content because I had my editor give me a script, a guideline of what to talk about on this video, rather than me having to use up all my resources to think about what should we talk about, what does the client want to know. And I can just simply share a message and share experience of what I've been able to go through. Because before, I would record the video, I would have to edit, I would have to then go later on and post, and I'd forget half the time. I would still make it happen, but much like a TV show, when you can get consistent on posting every day at 12 p.m. or whatever time you want to post at, you are going to start showing up every day for the people that are watching you. But if you're 12 p.m. today, 3 p.m. tomorrow, 2:47 the next day, 6:30 at night, whatever that time is that you post randomly because, oh yeah, I've got to post. You're not consistent like a TV show. And people that are viewing your content want to see consistency if they're consuming it all the time. Now, people that want to come to you to do business with you also want to see that you're consistently updating with something new. So that consistency is so important, and that virtual assistant can really help you out with that. And they've helped me with my content and allowed us to be able to be more focused and dedicated on certain type of things to be able to reach an audience like you who's watching this right now. But the greatest thing of all is that we're trying to find leads with our content. And the great thing is, behind me being able to focus more on the social media content instead of inside of it and doing every single aspect of it, I've been able to guide our team to be able to get us more leads through social media content. And I can't tell you how many times we've had direct clients come from a social media post. Even clients that didn't comment. I didn't even have a booking link to book a call with me. They went out of their way to go to our website to find a booking link because of how the content spoke to our audience. And so if you're looking for help with getting a virtual assistant that can help you do that very thing, create the content that's going to convert into leads, shoot us a DM over on Instagram saying SMMSocialMediaManager, and we will set up a call with you to go over your exact needs when it comes to social media management.